click on settings, click on personalization, and here click on taskbar. Here to hide and show the taskbar items, you can on and off the toggle button. Now I am going to enable touch keyboard and click on touch keyboard icon. Here you can see the touch keyboard. Go to personalization, click on touch keyboard, and here you can select the theme for touch keyboard. You can enable and disable show most used apps. If you want to change the fonts, you can use the options over here.